Hi, today I'm ready for Realme C55 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel and to it here are some options. I'll remove some of them or just to change their positions. We should click to the three dot on the right upper corner and tap to edit titles. So just to add these options to your panel, you should click on each of these green pluses. If you want to remove some of the options from here, by the same way, click to these red minuses. And to change the positions of the icons on the panel, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. And to save the changes, just click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.